to grow a super long and strong hair, you're going to be needing rice. Now you can either use the blended rice or the rice grain, okay? Anyone you have, you can use it, okay? Rice contains an ingredient that stimulates the hair follicles, which helps to grow hair, and it also prevents hair graying, it prevents split ends, and it also helps in removing dandruff. Combining this with other ingredients, it would help to stop the hair from falling. And now you're going to be needing moringa. Now here I have a dry and blended moringa. I did this myself, guys. Now you can either order moringa online, or you can get the fresh one, extract the juice, or the dry one. Anyone you lay your hand on is still okay. You can just make use of it. It's perfect. Moringa is a nice ingredient that helps so much for the hair. It works in growing your hair. It stimulates the hair scalp and follicles that grows a thick and long hair. It helps to prevent hair breakage, and it also helps to make the hair dark. And now we're going to be needing aloe vera. Now here I have a little aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is a great source of strength for the hair. It contains an enzyme that helps to leave the hair super strong, and it also helps in growing up the hair follicles, therefore making your hair look super duper healthy and full. And also we're going to be making use of coconut oil in this remedy. Now coconut oil improves weight loss, it helps for pressure on the hair, it prevents heart disease, it also helps to grow the hair from the hair follicles, it repairs your hair follicles, therefore preventing your hair from breaking, and it also helps in darkening the hair. Alright, so here I have a boiled rice. I just boiled this rice because I need the rice water. Okay, now in this remedy you're just going to be needing the rice water to prepare this hair growth remedy. Okay, so now I would have to strain out just the water. And this is what we're going to be using for the remedy. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be preparing the aloe vera. Now you can use the fresh aloe vera, or you can use the processed aloe vera, okay? But in this particular hair remedy, the fresh aloe vera will be preferably. So now we're going to be transferring the aloe vera into the blender. Do not put in extra water in the aloe vera to blend, okay? So now it's properly blended and very smooth. We're going to be transferring that into the blender, into the bowl, sorry. That is all blended and super duper soft. And now we are going to be putting 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, now if your hair is actually very full, you can put in 2 tablespoons, alright? And this is it. Okay guys, so now let's go to putting in the moringa. For the moringa, you have to put in 1 full tablespoon of moringa powder. And then you stir. Alright, stir very well so that all of the ingredients will properly mix together, and it's actually not going to be very easy to mix this because of the oil, but we're going to mix. Alright, so after successfully mixing this all up together, now we'll have to sieve it out, okay, because we're going to be using it on the hair, so we do not need any particles to hang on any string of hair. Okay guys, so for this moringa, you can actually use it as a facial scrub, okay? Let me show you how you're going to use that. Alright, so here is the hair growth treatment, and this is how it's going to be looking like. So this is the only container I have right now. So what you're going to do is to transfer this into a container, okay? And then you seal it, okay? So anytime you actually want to use this, you have to give it you have to shake it very well so that all of the ingredients can mix inside of it, just like this. Alright, so how you use this treatment is that you're gonna take it in bits, okay, and then you're gonna pour it at the scalp of your hair. Sorry, I have to demonstrate using my hands, okay. You're gonna pour it at the scalp of your hair and then you massage it in, okay. You use your two hands and massage it inside very well at the scalp. Then when you're done applying it at the scalp, then you can apply it on the hair itself and then you massage it, okay, and you massage it very well inside your hair. Okay, so you have to use this treatment every day for the space of 2 weeks, and come back to the comment section and let me know how your hair is. If you have a broad hair at the at the front side of your hair, it's just going to help in growing your hair and it's going to be good. Okay, so for this remnant of this, you can actually use it as a scrub. So what you do is that you take this is going to help you in case you're having some wrinkles, okay, then you scrub your face very well with it. Alright, so for now I would have to use my hand to illustrate this and show you guys. You scrub your face with this. This is just going to help in removing pimples. If you have dark spots, like when you're done scrubbing your face, you're going to feel the smoothness and the softness of your skin. Is going to be super duper soft, okay. So you scrub very well. Now you can keep this and then you scrub like 3 times in a week, okay, and all of your dark spots and fine lines is gonna go. Now if you want to use it as a preventive measures, you can also use it because it's perfect. It's going to help you in preventing your hair falls